There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the English dictionary. During testing, this tool can be used during the second part of the performance task known as the full right portion. The dictionary will look like this once you have followed these next steps. In the upper right corner of the screen, select the dictionary button by using the mouse or trackpad, depending on the type of device you are using. As you can see, the English dictionary will then appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If you don't like where the dictionary is, you can use your device to drag the notepad to a different part of the screen. When you put your cursor in the rectangle at the top of the dictionary screen, you can type the word you would like to know the definition. Select the Dictionary button, and you will see the definition of the word you typed. To close the dictionary and continue with your test, select the X in the upper right corner of the dictionary box, or select the Dictionary button in the upper right corner of the screen. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!